Second principle is open close principle. So what is the definition of open close principle? The software entity like classes, modules and the function should be open for extension but closed for the modification. That means we can add the code in the existing class but without the modification of existing class. So what is the key point of open close principle? So it is a reduced risk. That means adding the new features doesn't require altering the existing code. Then promote reusability. That means existing code can be extended without the direct modification. Then stable system. That means the core functionality remain untouched, leading to more robust system. So I have written down here the example that is not following the OCP. This is a bad design. So I have created the class name is a payment, and inside the payment I have created the pay method. So inside the pay method I have just checking the type of payment, like first type is a credit and the second type is a PayPal. So what is the wrong here? So every time you want to add new payment method, that is UPI or any other UPI payment method, so you have to edit the existing pay method. Okay, so this is a violence of OCP because you are modifying existing code, so which is the increase the risk of bugs, affect the already tested logic and violates the separation of concern. So how we can follow the OCP principle for this type of scenario? So I have created the good example here. So let's see how we can follow the OCP principle. So firstly I have created the interface, the name is a payment method, and inside the interface payment method created the one method pay. Okay, then second I have created the two classes, the credit card payment and the PayPal payment. It's an implement payment method and override the pay method. So it's an paying the pay with the credit card and it's paid with the PayPal. Then third step I have created the payment service that depend on the abstraction. That means created the payment service class, which is the method process, and inside the process taking the payment method type, and I'm calling method dot pay. That means it's calling the interface method pay. It's an polymorphism call. Then the fourth step is with the application created the main class. Inside the main class I have created the payment service object and the credit card payment and PayPal object, the type of reference of the payment method. Okay, then I just call the server dot process credit, passing the payment type is a credit, and second the passes the method payment method type is a PayPal. So it will be calling the credit card payment method and the PayPal payment method. So it's printing pay with the credit card and pay with the PayPal. Okay, so why this is better approach? Because the payment service class don't have care how the payment is made, it's just the call payment. So if you see here, so payment service method just call the pay method. Okay, so if you want to add UPI payment, just create the new class. So the requirement is coming. So if you want to add UPI payment, so without changing the existing code, we just add the new class UPI payment that implement the payment method and return down override the pay method and pay with the UPI. Okay, so that means no need to touch existing payment service or payment method code, just extended. This is the correct way to follow the OCP principle.